In this MetaMask tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Matic or Polygon Network to your MetaMask wallet so you can send funds to your account and make transactions. And as a bonus, towards the end of this video, I will show you how to earn some passive income using your crypto assets. So make sure to stick with me till the end. But for now, let's get scoping. Firstly, you will need to have the MetaMask extension installed. And if you haven't done that yet, then you can go to metamask.io and then click on download now and follow the steps. But if you need more information on how to set up your MetaMask account properly, and I have a step-by-step tutorial guide on MetaMask, which I'll link in the description below for you. So once our MetaMask is set up, we can click on the icon here, then click on this three dot and click on expand view. This will now bring up our MetaMask dashboard. And before we proceed, an important thing for you to note is that you don't need to create a whole new MetaMask wallet in order to connect your current MetaMask wallet to the Matic or Polygon chain. You can use the existing wallet that you have here and then have the same address, but on the Matic chain is very much possible. But if you still want to have a different address to manage each different chain separately, then that's possible too. You just have to go and click on create new account, or you can go and import another account if you've already made one before. So it's up to you which method you want to go for. But one important thing I definitely recommend you do, which I do for myself, is that for all the transactions which I make of over around $1,000, I use my hardware wallet. And you can connect that to MetaMask by going to connect hardware wallet, and the supported wallets are the Ledger and Trezor wallet. Both of them are great. I have them both and I've done a review on both of them. So I suggest you pick one up for yourself, and I'll leave links for the video review and the products in the description as well to help you out. So first of all, from the dashboard, there are two ways of adding your Matic or Polygon network to your MetaMask account. And the first method is to click here and click on custom RPC, and it will come up with a lot of empty boxes here which you'll need to add in. And you can go to this link here, which is docs.matic.network, which is from their official website. And this will show you what needs to be filled in those boxes. You can see here, this is exactly what's required. So I'm going to copy them one by one and fill that in now. And once that is done, and you've made sure that everything is correct, you can click on save. And you can see here, our Matic mainnet has been created successfully. So now I'm going to show you the second method, which is the easier method. So go back to the Ethereum chain and delete my Matic chain that I just added. And now you can go to a site called chainlist.org, which is an aggregation of all the available chains which can be connected to your MetaMask account. So from the search network, I can type in Matic, and you can see here the Matic mainnet. You can click on add to MetaMask, and it will pop up a window which shows these values, which is exactly the same information as a Matic network website that I showed you previously. So if you're happy with that, you can click on approve and then click on switch network. And now if we go back to our Matic dashboard, you can see here our Matic mainnet has been added again. Using chainlist.org is a much easier and simpler method, as it prevents you from making any mistakes from copying and pasting your text. And the next thing I want to show you is how to make some passive income by staking your tokens. And one of the biggest and more trusted one on the Matic network is QuickSwap. And we can go to rewards. These are all the different token pairs that you can add liquidity to. For example, if I have Ethereum and Matic and I'm willing to put up collateral of 50% each of those two tokens, then I can earn a reward of up to 84.85% per year. This is a really good way to earn some extra crypto on the assets that you already own. You do have to be careful of impermanent loss though, but I won't go through that in this video as it's a bit more complicated. But I still wanted to show you quickly the potential that you have on earning extra income with these different cryptocurrencies on the Matic network. If you're looking for more variety and want to stake your other assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other altcoins as well, then it is a good idea to take advantage of these platforms, which I'm about to show you here. Plus, you can get a free sign-up bonus worth $375. So I think it's a no-brainer here. You simply just have to go to the links in the description below, sign up for these platforms, and start staking your crypto to earn your standard APY and the free bonus. You can see here through my links, BlockFi will give you a $250 bonus when you stake your crypto with them. And Celsius Network is going to be a $50 bonus. Crypto.com is also not bad at $25. Same thing with Leden at $25. And lastly, Voyager is going to be $25 as well. My favorites, which I use for the long term, are BlockFi, Celsius Network, and Crypto.com. But Leden and Voyager are still worthwhile signing up and getting their bonus. However, if you want more information and more ways to earn passive income through your cryptocurrency, then I strongly recommend you check out this next video here. But if you still need help on MetaMask, like connecting it to other dApps or sending funds to other blockchain network, then I have a full MetaMask playlist here which you can check out. And I'll see you over in the next tutorial.